All right, so we're looking at an experiment that had 22 samples. It had a experimental average or a sample average of 31.3, and the sample standard deviation was 7.3 minutes. And we want to construct the confidence interval for the population mean. So, for our confidence interval, we do not know. We do not know sigma. Sigma is unknown. So we're going to have to use a t-table. So our degrees of freedom are 21. So if we go to table 5 in the back of the book, I can find my tables here. And I will just read out what's off of table 5 here. Table 7, Tory Fisher, Poisson, students T table. So with a level of confidence of 99, which is the far right column, and how many degrees of freedom did I have? 21. That gives me 2.831 as my critical value. 2.831. So my critical value is 2.831. And so our error is going to be our critical value times our standard deviation of a sample divided by the square root of n. And so we're going to have 2.831 times 7.3 divided by square root of 22. 2.831 times 7.3 divided by square root 22. And that is a 4.406. I'll keep the extra value for right now. I think I only need to keep it to one decimal place. Yeah, so 4.41. I'll keep one extra. And so our confidence interval will be x bar minus e for the lower end. So I'll put lower confidence. So 31.3 minus 4.41 gives me 26.9. And my higher confidence level will be x bar plus e. So I'll just scroll up on the calculator, change the minus sign to plus, and I get 35.71. And so we have our 99% confidence level coming through here. 35.71. 35.71. And so what we want to do, or 35.7, sorry, I want to keep one decimal place, like keeping 2. Yeah, well, sorry, we'll keep this as 35.7. So we say stay consistent within in the problem, and 26.9. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to look at the margin of error itself. And so the margin of error, well, the margin of error comes from the E value. And so we had 4.41 as our margin of error. In one decimal place, 4.4. I'm really doing the 2 decimal places today. All right. And then, so if a large sample of people, how would we interpret this? And what it can be said is, well, we have 99% confidence, and we can say that the population mean is in between those bounds. That's really what a 99% confidence does. Nothing's certain, and the confidence that we can say things is 99%. Right? So with 99% certainty, 99% confident mu is between R, LC, and HC for right now. Or upper, or higher and lower.